What's going on? It's funny, this was a line from last week. Just happened to run right into that. Kind of just going sideways. Not a fan of either way. See what it looks like. Craig, Froggo, GDT, Jason, Tony, Paul, Zishan, how we doing? All right, good luck us. This looks like we're gonna get filled here. Nope, fake out. Thankfully we had our order high enough. All right, no opening trade today. See if it would have worked. Order was like right here. We'd be in. Pretty sure our take profit was higher than that. And so far, I think we're getting faked out. I mean, this is enough. Even though I'm not in the trade, I would hate this trade. Even if it ends up working at this point, because right, we're looking for the volatility of the opening to give us the trade right away. This did not. I mean, my short would have been down here in between these two lines, so we never got there. I had my long looking to essentially front run this line, and we got faked out. So I'm glad we didn't take the trade. So this would have been my opening trade on the NQ. We are now going to switch over to the MNQ and look for trades on the DCA account. If we make a move down towards green to red, I might take a shot. So we got the full retest, well, almost the full retest. Unfortunately, that's not the trade we were looking for. We wanted it closer down here. So now we'd be looking for it to go through green to red, and then we'd look for the big push through so we can get the retest. Rayu, what's going on? Mojito, what's going on? Let me get marbles started. Give me a sec. Shaba, good morning. Yeah, the account I was trading was my funded. They're almost all funded. Well, I have 2 of the 3 funded. Let's see, connected. All right, should be good. If you're asking which firm I'm talking about, or I'm trading my funded futures. Mary, good morning. Lost 320 in my funded futures eval on series of micros trades today in Nasdaq. ASR, I'm sorry to hear that. Cicerlan, howdy. Visible ID, how we doing? Exclamation point marbles in the chat. The jackpot is at $165. Let's go. I do have a bit going on today, so we might only get like 5 in today, but hopefully we can get 10 in. We'll run the first one at 9:45. So exclamation point marbles in the chat to get your entry in for the chance to win that 165. All right, here we go. Coming back down, see if we can get some continuation. There we go. See if we can get the push through. Oh, with the 30 days of wins on starter MFFU moves us to live, but what happens to the profits we made? They would pay them out. Yeah, they would pay. If they move you to live, they're going to pay you out what you made. I practiced marbles over the weekend. Should be in good shape today. Did you do it over on Twitch? Did you watch the great game yesterday by chance? Which game? The Ravens game? Of course I watched the Ravens game. It was great until they tried to relinquish a 22-point lead. What am I looking for? SMT? What's SMT? All I'm looking for is a big push through a key area, and then I look to get the reversal back to, for the retest of that area. Unfortunately, we did not get that. Ojito, thank you for subscribing. Appreciate the support. Welcome to the Volatility team. May the ticks be with you. There's a really big delay? There shouldn't be. Just hit refresh or hit live. Our second halves need to be more explosive. Yeah. Lamar is on record now saying that he wishes that Harbaugh would put the pedal to the metal. Exclamation point marbles in the chat. Jackpot's at $165. We'll run the first one at 9:45. 9:45. Also at 10 o'clock? 9:45. 9:45 there is news. Flash manufacturing PMI, flash services PMI, so be careful of that. Fralgo did not warn me. So if we happen to get into a trade there, I would have been very upset. So all the way back down there, looking for the big push through red to green, or green to red in this case. Donovan says he is driving right now. What's up, Karen? Good morning. Donovan, good morning, if you're listening. I made myself a little bit smaller. I put the green screen behind me a lot closer so that I'm not so zoomed in. Weekend was good. I did something. I got this thing. It's not like me. I haven't had an iPhone or anything iPhone related. I had one for a year back in 2015, and I haven't had one since. But now with the kids, they have their iPads. The wife has her iPhone. It just seemed right to get into the ecosystem. Even though I didn't want to, I did. Yeah. I mean, to be completely honest, yeah, I agree with Justin. It's everything. It's just easier. Like iPhone is more focused on just making something that works, where Android is more focused on like the cutting edge technology and stuff like that. But Apple does more things like family wise, as far as like location tracking, just family sharing, just everything. It's just easier. And I don't even use my phone that much anymore. Like I use it to text, check emails, scroll through social media every once in a while, play a game here or there. Like I don't use my phone like I used to. So it doesn't even matter to me like which phone I have. The main thing that is important to me with the phone is the pictures, like the camera. Apple takes more of your money. Well, that's why you buy secondhand. You can get like good iPhone. Like right now you can get an iPhone 13 for super cheap, and it's a great phone. All right, here's the news at 9:45. We're going to watch this and then we'll play marbles. Apple only takes more, like I paid less for this phone than I did for my old phone. My old phone was $1,099 when I bought it new, but it was brand new. This is literally, it's the 15 Pro, which if you look it up, it still sells for like over 800 or whatever it is new. I think this specific model, it's actually, I think $1,200 brand new if you buy it from Apple right now. I got it for $750. Just because someone used it. It's somebody who buys a new one every year and he sells his old one. So if you find a deal like that, because the reason it's $750 is because you could have actually found them cheaper for like $600, $650. But it has 512 gigs, which I didn't necessarily care about too much, but I figured, you know, I'll be taking a lot of pictures and videos and stuff with the kids. So having the extra storage isn't going to hurt, and I'll have this phone forever, and I paid less than I did my old phone. So we'll see how it works out. I'm not jumping on any bandwagons, but it's been really hard to change from Android to Apple, but I'm assuming now that I have changed, it'll be a lot easier in the future, like if I were to get another iPhone. Obviously Apple's resale value is way better. Oh, 100%. So this phone is 3 years old. It cost me $1,100. It's now worth on the used market $250. It's in perfect condition. It's worth $250. Where you can buy used iPhones from the same time period from 3 years ago, which would be what, the 13, like I was talking about, and they're still $400 or $500. Like that's double the value. So I'll give you $350. I'll give you $350. All right, let's run well, actually, let's see if we get a trade here. I have marbles loaded up. I'll give you guys until we figure out if this starts bouncing again, which it is. We're going to get and close it. I'll give you guys until I get to the screen I need to be on to enter if you're not in already. All right, I am there, closing it up. What is that? Oh, that's my mic stand. Not zoomed out far enough for that to, and now it looks stupid because it only takes up like that little part. Anyways, I got a feeling we're going to get some pretty close calls today. I just got that feeling. and hopefully we get a winner. Trust me, the sooner you guys win, the better. It's the less I have to pay. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Trader JMB, first one up. Current jackpot 165. Headed back to the highs on the chart here. Where is the high? Dang, it's all the way up there. Still got a ways to go. Might not be trading for a while. But yeah, the transfer over to the iPhone has been interesting because I've had to transfer the apps that I could, and then I have to log into everything. Like I said, the second time around, like if I stick with iPhone now, it'll probably be a lot easier, but the transfer from Android to Apple is not a pleasant one. By the way, for all you fast track traders waiting for Tradeify, I saw that they came out over the weekend saying that that is not happening, or at least not for like another 10 months. I don't know if you guys saw that. It's pretty funny. I also saw some guy, I forget his name, but there's a guy who's got a really good camera. He put out a video about Apex not paying out people again. And I don't know what I actually responded to his, I put a comment in there saying, are you sure that the 2 people that you vetted on this subject are not lying to you? Because I found that people like to lie when it comes to saying they're not getting paid for whatever reason it might be. But we'll see how that plays out. Because I mean, they just paid out that dude like $1.9 million. So for them to say that they're not paying is a bit extreme. Mom, you were still going for the hole. Wow, okay, we got a few people coming down. No bump? No lasers? Oh, let's go. What if we win the first race? He's got a shot. No, a little too far. Dang it. Raw go. Oh, nobody else made the lasers, huh? Mary. There we go. No bump. Move, lasers, move. Ugh. All right. Exclamation point marbles. Karen is here. What's his name? I can find it. Give me a sec. Up to 166. Where's the others? 166. Let's get it. Let me make sure I didn't miss something else. The closer the collapse of an empire, the crazier the laws. Apex. But they haven't changed anything to make it crazier. If anything, they've been trying to go the opposite way. How can we know if any events or news related to the market? Go to forexfactory.com or I don't want to upset Aya here. Crap. So Forex Factory, and then I forget the other one. Aya, are you here? You planned for that DNF? I feel like everyone's got a plan for it at this point. Plan to have the DNF. Financial juice. Thank you. That's it. Thank you, Cicerón and Aya. So yeah, Forex Factory or Financial Juice. You can find all the news. But Forex Factory is a little cleaner. I feel like it just tells you like the big events, which I feel are all that needed. Financial Juice tells you literally everything. So if that's more your thing, that's there for you. All right, what was I doing? X out of it. Oh yeah, I was changing the title. That dude works for Top Step, just hates on Apex all the time. Oh yeah, and that was the other thing I wanted to see. But he promotes? Well, he was promoting Apex. I don't believe most of the payout issues. We don't know circumstances. Like you said, people lie. There's always one thing they leave out on why they didn't get paid out. 1,000%. And that's why I made the comment that I did, because it's like, well, are you sure that they're not, like, he had screenshots of like their situation, but the screenshots don't always tell the whole story. And that's what I was trying to get across in my comment. Like, I hopefully didn't come across as a D, because I wasn't trying to be. All right, 166 exclamation point marbles in the chat. Hit the like button while you're there, and I will find that real quick. His name is Joey Morgan is his name. Yeah, my comment said, I'm not saying you are wrong, but from creator to creator, are you 100% positive they didn't break any rules? I do agree Apex is in hot water, and I currently have told people to use caution with them, but in most cases, I have found that these people lie a lot to try and get paid money even after breaking rules. Apex could very easily remedy this by simply telling them why, if there is a why, but most times we aren't seeing the full picture from the people getting denied. Again, I'm on your side with this, but just saying a lot of the times we aren't seeing all the facts. Joey works for FTT? No, I don't think so. Oh, well, actually he might, because I know he did like a Tradeify versus FTT video. Oh, I thought maybe you knew that. No. Yeah, the thing from about Tradeivate with Fast Track Trading, it says, this is from Scott. He said, here's the sad truth about Tradeivate. It's at least 10 months out. As I've stated a few times, we got rug pulled and we don't know why. We suspect it's either that we are too new and our meteoric rise is upsetting some in the industry, or they don't like me. No shit. I'm not going anywhere, and neither is FTT. I'll be speaking with the team this week about how to make this right with folks who bought accounts solely for Tradeivate. No announcement has been made or implied, so please be patient with us. I think the 10 months out thing is just a stall. For it's never going to happen. And the whole because we're too new thing is not true at all, because look at Tradeify. They literally opened their company with it. So, dude's just I've been around so many pathological liars in my life that it's so clear to me that he's one of them. He's not going anywhere. Scott the GOAT. Scott's the GOAT. For real, for real. Need to figure out why the syncing with the iCloud, it keeps saying it is delayed, but I have no idea why. Or not delayed, but paused. iCloud, show all messages, sync now. Replace too new with too sketchy and you got your truth. That's what I'm saying. It's like even people at the highest of levels lie. If you're not in already, exclamation point marbles and get you into the marbles race. Current jackpot is $166. Let's get it. It's funny seeing Android user with an iPhone. Dude, I have no idea how to use the crap yet. I'm sure I'll figure it out just from playing around with it. But until I do, it's weird. We'll do the next one at 10 o'clock. Let me get them $166. I'll send you a how-to tutorial. I'm good, man. I'm good. Bro is a boomer. Oh, I'm a boomer to the core, but I pick up things quickly. But I'm also not afraid to say that, you know, I'm trying to figure something out. Come back to the dark side. It's the family, man. You switched last year. The biggest problem is switching everything over from the Android. I'm sure once I have everything switched over and just know the basics of how things are working, I'll be fine. That's the only issue. All right, you got 30 seconds. Bitcoin coming out with options trade because of BlackRock. You saw that? I did. All right, closing it up. If all your settings are correct for the iCloud stuff, I would restart phone. You probably haven't restarted since I have restarted actually, because I'll tell you about that while we're running the race here. I'm gonna enter this, but I'm keeping I got everything going in, but I'm watching the chart real quick. Looks like we might try to break the lows. Now we're bouncing back up. All right, never mind. Might be a no trade day. Here we go. $166. I think the software update did itself. Everything. I'm pretty sure the guy I bought it from as well. He had it all updated and stuff, so I didn't have to worry about that. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Karen Moore, Miss Karen, first one up. So what happened at first? So when I transferred all my stuff over, it was telling me that I had like 160 unread messages. And so on Android, they have this thing where it auto detects spam and just hides the message. Well, I guess those were still on the phone. It didn't like delete the messages. It just hid them. So when I transferred over, I had 161 messages that said unread that weren't in my messages folder. So I had no way of getting rid of them. I tried the whole thing where you click mark as read, like select messages, mark all as read. Like I tried it all. It didn't work. I tried restarting the phone because someone else had mentioned do that. It didn't work. What I had to do to get rid of all those messages, unread messages, was I had to activate Siri and say, Siri, read me all my messages. And she sat there and read 161 messages to me. And I had to say no when it asked me, do you want to reply? No. Do you want to reply? No. And some of these messages took like 20 seconds to read because they were just some annoying like spam message. There was even one that said, she's making fun of you. Take whatever the product name was and bang her all night. That was one of them. Do you want to reply? No. It was horrible. I wish I would have saved some of them just for doing it on stream, but yeah, it was very annoying. I had to sit through. It took me like an hour and a half to go through them all. It was very frustrating. Ooh, DT, you just snuck by there. Sugar Rush is going to beat you there, though. Oh, that's not what you want. DT takes the correct path. This looks like a perfect path. That's going to hit like halfway. Not even. It's just going to hit in the corner. This is a perfect entry. Can't get much better than that. Oh, no bump, no bump. Disappear lasers, disappear Market Frog made it through the whole. That's 2 in a row. John Doe. Oh, what the? Did you see that? I've never seen someone get off track there before. Derek, our last hope. Come on, Derek. Hit it. Get rid of the top spin. Gone. Down. And no! The bounce out. The bounce out. Exclamation point marbles in the chat. $167. We are up to 167. Get your entries in. Exclamation point marbles in the chat. Hit that like button if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. Appreciate you guys hitting those buttons. And on to the next one we go. We'll do it at 10:15. 10:15. If I had Tim's number, I would spam text using AI. That would not be nice. That would not be nice of you. That would be not cool. Yeah, that was a pretty unlucky bounce. You know what's funny is some people still come in around 11 o'clock and they're like, wait, why are you running marbles already? It's like, where have you been? At least somebody will be able to retire when somebody finally wins. Somebody will win. It will happen. Who is it going to be and when is it going to be? That's the key, right? That's what makes it fun, because you got to be here. I was looking at cases too. I don't know which case. I've had speaking cases for all my previous phones, and I love their cases. And I was looking at this one. It's kind of sticking out at me. I kind of like it. I don't even have the setup in my car or whatever anymore for the mag case, so I don't think I need that. But I think that's more for like charging or whatever. But I like this one. It's got the kickstand. It's nice. Spigen makes good cases. Yeah, see that? This right here. I don't need that. But I think like that's not a magnet to stick on. See, I should find a case where the magnet is in the case so that it will stick to other things, not like this where the magnet, like that right over there, like where the magnet is what it sticks to. I need one where the case is the magnet. That screams code VOLA. I just need to just start selling merch that says code VOLA on it. That's my way to financial freedom. It keeps pausing my syncing. So weird to now be putting so many magnets on electronics. Yeah, do you remember back in the day where you were told to never put a magnet near your computer because of the hard drives? But that's why, because that was the only reason you couldn't put magnets near computers was because of the hard drives. Nowadays, you have hard drives without the spinny drives in them, so you don't need to. I don't know, I'm drawing a blank on what they're called. Like the old hard disks, we don't have those anymore. We got SSDs and wow, man, my brain is farting today. M.2. That was good. Jesus. I literally had to look it up. I couldn't, my brain. So I had MM in my head, but M.2. So when was that? You're so old. Code VOLA Popeyes? Dude, I'm telling you, it'll work. I don't know I don't remember the discount that you get at Popeyes, but it's there. Everything got messed up by magnets. Remember CRT monitors? Yeah, yeah. Good old CRT. Do you remember lugging CRT monitors around when you went to LAN events, like with your friends? Oh man. Go long. Look at the wick down. Yeah, I see the wick. It does appear that it does want to go higher. Code VOLA when doing taxes. Guys, I didn't want to give this one out, but when you're doing your taxes, if you put code VOLA in, it literally immediately, like if you, it only works if you owe taxes. If you owe on your taxes, now if you're getting a refund, this doesn't work. But if you owe taxes, you put code VOLA in at checkout, it literally wipes it clean. I have a deal with the IRS that anybody watching my stream that uses code VOLA at checkout for when they're filing their taxes, if you owe money, it'll literally wipe it clean. It'll $0. You don't have to pay a single dollar. It's crazy. It took me an email chain of 2,420 and 60.69 to get a deal with the IRS for everyone that watches. So the disclaimer is I'm completely lying, but I'm telling you, try it. Results may vary. Man, I hate alcohol right now. Cannabis doesn't ever do this ever. Auto audit. YouTube ban. My mom actually asked me, I think it was like Thursday or Friday. She was like, are you sure some people aren't actually believing you when you say some of this stuff? And I'm just like, if they're believing me, then they're the people that I don't want watching my stream anyway. I just tried it and it wiped it all, but also credited me with $1 million. You know, I'm gonna need you to give that $1 million back. That had to be an error. You're not supposed to get money on top of that. They're gonna come to me looking for that. I can't have that. Can you just send it to me? I'll send it back to them. Promise, pinky swear. I'm gonna go grab another drink. I'll be right back. Coming for the throne. Dude, this song is... I love this song. Code VOLA also works for credit card debt. So again, it's kind of the same thing, but with the credit card debt, it wipes it clean. They just lower your interest rate to 0. And in some cases, I think it depends on your credit, your current credit, but it'll only go to 0.001. It doesn't wipe your credit card debt, but it does give you a much better interest rate, or zero or none at all. So 20% off TurboTax. Told you. I'm not lying to you guys. This is complete facts. You're keeping it? All right, look, if you're going to keep it, at least pay my house off. I use code VOLA on my dishwasher and it actually cleaned my dishes. Guys, I'm telling you, it's just a thing of beauty. I think, you know what? I've been wondering I've been wanting to make a hat. So Methodical Man, he's a hat wearer as well. and I just wear hats every day. And I've been thinking of a hat to make, and it's like volatility trading on a hat. I just, you know, maybe the logo, I think we found it. I think we found what we're putting on the hat. You guys got 1 minute, exclamation point marbles in the chat. 10:15 is the cutoff. We're going to run it at 10:15. Code VOLA for a new hairline. So again, not only with code VOLA will you get a new hairline, but if you ask for the like extensions, like if you just want long hair, they will give you the implants, and they'll give you the extra fertilizer. They'll put the fertilizer in while they're doing the implants, and it'll give you the longer hair instead of the short hair. Who would want a slice of pizza label on their hat? I've never heard that one. That's a good one. A mullet? Yeah, it'll give you a mullet. If you want a mullet, you get a mullet. And every time we're about to run a marbles race, it looks like we could possibly get a trade. I always wanted to have hair on my chest. Would it work? 1,000%. So the cool thing about, you can literally get like a design. You want it to be like a big heart, right? You can have a heart. You could put code VOLA on there, right? So every time you're at the beach, you could represent code VOLA in hair. Code VOLA for dowry. What is dowry? I don't know what dowry is. I said code VOLA to my partner and she walked out on me. Where do you live? Yeah, you know, like I said, guys, results may vary. So all right, I'm gonna leave it open until this pot. No, we're bouncing. All right, closing it up. No, please don't. The smell of cigars and being hung over freaking sucks. My goodness. No more drinking for me, man. For real, dude. I remember those days. I don't miss them. I don't. Oops. Oh, I did click it. Okay. Code VOLA probably saved you from a gold digger. I'd call it a win. This is true. It's probably true. So you got to think about it that way. She left you because you wouldn't give her the money. Don't pay dowry. I have no idea what is dowry. What is dowry? A dowry is a payment of money, goods, or property that the bride of her family gives to the groom or his family at the time of marriage. Oh, I mean, we have something similar to that, but we don't call it anything. It's just usually the girl's parents kind of like take care of that kind of stuff. I just learned something amazing. Let's hear it. I pay one dowry per week. Bride price? And that's very interesting. Very interesting. Did not know that. Dowries are most common in cultures that are and expect women to live with or near their husband's family. Interesting. So should I be paying my wife a dowry? Interesting. All right, over to marbles. The number is increasing. 62. Can we see a 300-point fall on composite today? I mean, you could. Will it happen? No idea. Your guess is as good as mine. What I do know is we're going to watch the marbles go around the track and maybe win. Find out. 3, 2, 1, go. Martin, first one up. David was asking me a question about some of my stats on higher price stocks. I could not figure out how to find it, but apparently TraderSync has AI now and it pumped out the numbers and a chart for me. That's pretty awesome. I haven't sold a TraderSync journal in quite some time. Or what is it called? I haven't had somebody sign up using my TraderSync stuff in a while. I don't even know. I might have to see if I still have it. Jason. In the USA, we do have dowry. The wives get it when they leave. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Let me see. TraderSync. So it still lets me log in. But now I don't remember. Cicerna, you're a little left. No. Lucky Charm, way right. Van Houter. You're gonna have too much top spin. Oh, you just missed it. TCG Andy is here. TCG Andy's gonna get rid of the top spin. TCG Andy's down the hole. TCG Andy's in. No bump. Go lasers. No. Stupid lasers, man. Bump. Oh, kind of a forward roll though. Oh, it's going around. Oh, I thought it was gonna curve. It did not. ASR in. No bump. No, the bump. King, no. Kevin Baker, he's back. No bump. Oh, but the laser. And Texas UAV pilot is headed the wrong direction. No. Trebek123, thanks for the sub. Welcome to the Volatila team. May the ticks be with you and not the laser. No! Exclamation point marbles in the chat. We're up to 168. 168. Whoa. That bump. That bump. That was rude. That was a rude bump. Anyone with no option strategy that can make 1K a month with a capital of 100K? Yeah, sell. Sell options. It's the lowest risk you're going to get. Look into the wheel strategy. Cash secured puts and covered calls. With 100K, you should be able to make $1,000 pretty easily a month. Why are kids not getting that Powell wrecked all hope of recovery by starting out with the 50 BP cut? You tell me. You'll see me tomorrow? Wait, what? I'm scared. What do you mean you'll see me tomorrow? You've made $32? You mean $1,032? If I remember correctly? Yeah, the market's literally just going sideways inside a 70-point range. Looks like we might break out above it though. Maybe. I'll watch you tomorrow. Okay, that's a little bit better. That's a little bit better. Have a good rest of your day, Paul. Appreciate you stopping in. I would ideally love to see a gigantic push all the way up through the highs, but I don't think that's what's going to happen. There's the push through. Where's the little chat thing for TraderSync? Let's see it. Oh, yeah, I got a feeling it's not going to be too fast. I'll move up if we get there. I burned 1K a month for 100 months by buying out of the money puts, so I'm sure the reverse is easy money. Exactly. Sell options. Sell. If you're going to do options, sell. Sell them. It's probably if you're thinking risk free, it's not risk free obviously, but it's very risk adverse. What platform do you use for options? Just Robinhood. Options are like insurance. More often, people that sell you a policy are the ones who make out in the end. This is very true. He is not lying. Maybe I need to get rid of my cookies. My cookies. Privacy and security. There we go. I thought I could do it for a specific website. Robinhood is US only? No. I don't know. It's a good question. I wouldn't think it's US only. Looking like a no green day. Walking along Boulevard? What? Yeah, but you need to know what stocks, what delta. If you stick under 20 delta, you should be pretty safe in most cases. And learn about rolling. Rolling it's a literal cheat code. I don't have enough money or time to really like trade more options than I do. But I wish I did, because I feel like I'd make more money doing that sometimes. Currently invested in SGov and the percent is giving is very low. Yeah, you need to, so obviously the more volatile the stock, the higher the premiums. So you have to keep that in mind as well. So Martin, I could, in theory, get you in contact with somebody that is very much like that. He has a Patreon where he essentially talks about all that. Why sell options? Because it's easier. 10:30, exclamation point marbles in the chat. By the way, you got a little less than 2 minutes. Can't get off track on that. I want to make a fund that is anti-retail option, flips retail options trades. I think I'm going to beat every index. It's very possible. I feel like that would be so swingy though. There'd probably be so many swings in that. Oh, I can't find where I can get rid of cookies for a specific site. I thought there was a way to do that. All right, fuck it. It's next to the address bar. Oh, well, I just deleted all my cookies and cached images and files. Well, it's currently deleting. There it goes. All right, let's see if that worked. I know that worked last time I had this issue with them. Oh, so now it's gonna make me log back in and everything. That sucks. That's fine. As long as it works. It did not work. GDT, do they still have the thing on TraderSync? The assistant that pops up in the bottom right? Like to get the live chat, or did they get rid of that? Because I'm not seeing it. They do? See, it's not popping up for me. I see there's a thing up top that says assistant, but it's not in the bottom right. It used to just be like a little bubble. Did they move it? All right, closing up marbles. It's there for me. I don't know why it's not for me. It's so annoying. I got less people in here. What happened there? Only 40. Maybe I'll check it in Firefox, see if it pops up. The bots, all the extra bots forgot to enter. Can you explain marble? Sure. You type exclamation point marbles in the chat when the entries are open, and you literally watch your marble go. There's no buy-in. There's just a jackpot. It's a death map, which means this map is very hard to win. Visible ID first one up. And if you do win, you win the jackpot. It's that simple. It's completely random, so there's nothing you have to do. It's just a track that is very hard to beat. And if you do beat it, you win the jackpot. Simple, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Oh, that's not what I wanted. It doesn't pop up on Firefox either. What the heck? Donating to the channel increases the odds of winning. This is true. If you donate, you get an extra 10% luck. That is not true. I'm just kidding. It's a joke that we have, though. Does one person always win? And how does the jackpot get funded? It gets funded by me and anyone who donates who is willingly wanting to donate to the fund to make the giveaway that much bigger. Aya gave us $100, and Peachy AER Peachy Celsius gave us $20, which means I think it was 96, but I added the full 20. So it's like 50 or 60, 50, 40 of it at 42. $42 so far is my money. I'm bringing $1 up for the death ball in next race. Jesus. See what you started, Justin? See what you started? Code VOLA. Oh, Code VOLA is the natural death ball. It's going to be too big of a bounce. No. Get rid of the top spin. Top spin going. Down we go. No! Tony Gold. No top spin. Yes, we're good. In. No bump. Lasered. Not looking good. Not looking good. Not looking good. No. Exclamation point marbles in the chat. We're up to 169. $169. Exclamation point marbles in the chat. Hit the like button while you're there. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Back to the charts we go. 10:45. Yeah, that's it. We're playing for fun, and you have a chance to win money. It's that simple. Free for you, with all the chances of winning some money. If you got the name of this guy, VOLA, please give it to me. Will do. One death ball being added. I'm assuming that was not my mother. Yeah, so there are a couple things. If you want to add a death ball, you could pay $1. $1 per death ball. You can add as many as you want, but it's just for one race. It didn't let my message through. It said it. I did not make the game. No on screen? Oh. It said it though. Tony Gold is the Lamar Jackson of Marvels. He's running for the end zone. It was on the screen though, right? You're just saying the text didn't come up? Oh yeah, it just says tipped. Whoa, look at... Oh, is it because it's green? Does it? Watch, it disappears on the dollar. See it? All right, we got 2 death balls. I want your money. Get out of here. Add your death ball for free. Just kidding. I'll put it in the drawer. I can't have them thinking they can get free death balls.
Don't know how to do it.
Oh, well. They take I don't know how much of a cut they take out of that. It's like cents, but it's a percent. I think it's like 4% or some weird number. Man, dollars really look like an old piece of paper. Laura got that for me. Is that what you paid her? Justin said Laura got that from me.
Yeah.
Vic says no business being this low for poor earnings around the corner. Yeah, well, that's the market for you. I don't want to hear that. My mom said you made it rain last night. All right, I guess I'm just gonna maybe contact them through email because for some reason that thing is not popping up for me. If you cannot find what you're looking for, please feel free to ask us via the live chat. I want to, but it's not there. Let me just type in live chat. See if that pops it up. I'm sorry, but I can't assist. Settings. Let's try this again. Privacy and security. Delete browsing data. Time range, all time. Site settings. DT, where did you say I could find it? Because I don't... Open marbles? Why? I will at 10:45. Alexa, set a timer for 3 seconds. Alexa, off. How many people got timers going off right now? Left of the address bar. Okay. Okay. Site settings. Okay. Cookie and down. Okay. I see it. I see it. Let's manage cookies for all sites. No, I just want to manage it for this site. Delete data from the site visiting. Okay. Try that. Try that. Try that. Try that. Done. Refresh. I didn't even know you could do that. DT is currently the man. Assuming this works. Okay, that didn't work. Let's try. They all came back. Site settings. Delete data. 2 cookies. You wouldn't have marbles either till I showed you. This is true. This is true. I hated prop funded accounts due to consistency rules and no news plays. Tradeify, they do have the consistency rule, but you're allowed to trade news. My funded futures, they don't allow news. Apex, they don't allow news on funded accounts. Bulenox, they do allow news. Yeah, it didn't work either. I don't know why it's not working. I've had this problem with them in the past, and I don't know what's causing it. But last time I think I reset all the cookies and stuff and it worked, but this time it's not working. And I can't even find like where. Oh, here it is, support. Yeah, it literally says, get the fastest support through our live chat, green icon, bottom right corner. If you can't find it, please disable any, ad blocker. Okay. I don't run an ad blocker. Why does it say that an ad blocker could be blocking it? That's weird. I don't understand that at all. Let me refresh real quick. Huh, it works now. Interesting. What do you think of funded resets on my funded futures? Price is high? Yes, they are definitely high. The only sucky rule is the intraday drawdown. Yes, I agree. That's why I really only look for, I try to only trade accounts that have end of day drawdown, which is why my funded futures is awesome. But yeah, the funded resets on my funded futures, I do not think they're worth it. They cost too much. It's cheaper to literally go buy a funded account from somewhere like Tradeify, who is using very similar rules to my funded futures. Code VOLA. But that is a thing. Tradeify, they are 40% off right now. But that's what they do, is they have a straight to funded account that is cheaper than a funded reset on my funded futures, and you trade very similarly on Tradeify as you do my funded futures. It's very similar. You guys got 2 minutes! Exclamation point marbles in the chat. Like the video, the stream if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Look at Intel run as any business to be up 3%. Yeah, it's stocks for you. But Tradeify has a big activation fee. No, Tradeify doesn't have an activation fee. It's a straight to funded. It's a one-time fee. Unless you're talking about one of the like the growth accounts. But if you're doing the straight to funded, it's just one price. All right, marbles it is. Don't, oops. Of course I hit the wrong button. Got 2 death balls. Wait, what? There's only 13 of you? Here, I'm gonna open this back up. I think something went wrong. I'll leave it open for a minute. I don't know why it's like that. Exclamation point marbles. Oh, it was closed? Oh, I must have hit that by accident or something. Yeah, we'll do 1048. We'll run it at 1048. That's my bad if I close it by accident. Wait, hold on. Why is it not working? Maybe that's why. Maybe it stopped working. Oh, I see. Yeah, oh, it logged me out because I got rid of the cookies. I got rid of the cookies, guys. That's what happened. I didn't. That was a side quest. There we go. Side quest. What a noob. Yeah, I've never done that before. You know the last time I cleared my cookies? Dun, 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 dun. All right. We'll do 1049 since I still screwed that up. We'll do one more minute. We are trying to break the high. Well, this high. I'd be waiting for the actual highs to get broken, obviously. It was Malofungtune. Okay. I don't know what that means. Sounds interesting, though. It was a malfunction. Indeed it was. There we got 20 seconds. How's the quality on your headset? I love this headset. It's the Sony M3s. Probably one of my favorite headsets I've ever had. All right, closing it up. $34 is more like it. TCG Andy is here. Code VOLA and 2 death marbles. Death marble number 1. Death marble number 2. If the death marble wins, we go back. How many was that? 37. We go back to not 0. We go back to 1. It would be 96 plus 20, so 116. You can't get rid of the donations, but you can get rid of, if the death ball wins, you get rid of what I put into the pot. So if there is a time where the pot gets up to like $500 and I'm the only one that contributed, and for some reason a death ball happens to win, then blame whoever put the death ball in there. Crap, what was it? 30... Ugh. I was just talking like an idiot. It's 34. Ah. 37. It was 34 before I added. Here we go. I will donate anything over 100 back to the next round if I win. Wow, look at TCG Andy. Dude is amazing. Tony Gold 410. First one up. If a death ball wins, I'm suing. Why? It's not your money. And I'm not taking the money that people donated. So you can't really do anything about it. You could try. That'd be interesting. Mandelbrot sets no Cesario on gone. Froggo might survive. Looks like he's going to. Ooh, we just stopped in the nick of time. Kusiji out in the lead. Laura B playing catch up, otherwise known as Mother Deer. Was away. What does the death ball do? So the death ball resets all funds that I have currently put into the pot. So right now there's been $116 put in by donators. So the pot would go back down to 116 if a death ball wins. Strawberry baby girl 245. This is marbles. It's completely random. All you have to do is type !marbles in the chat when the entries are open. You will be entered into the race. It is completely random. If your marble somehow wins the death race, the odds are no one will win. Well, someone's going to win eventually, but each individual race, the probabilities of winning are very low. But if you are the lucky one to finally beat it, whatever the current jackpot is yours. TCG Andy, no. Sneak in there, no. TCG Andy is not going to get hammered. My mom, although, is going to get hammered. A little to the right. That is not lined up correctly. Tony, first one up. First one maybe down the hole as well. Lines it up. Gets shot. Oh, he hits the right side. He's going to go into the laser death marble number 2. Ooh. In the hole. Death marble number 2. No bump. Lasers. No. Death marble number 1. The death marbles are going for it. The bump. But lasered. No. Enrique. No, I thought the lasers were going to disappear. No. Rapsu, our last chance. Get down, get down, get down, get down. It's going to be fast. But gets in. Into the hole. In. The bump. No, he crushed that bump. Ugh. The death balls, man. Back to back. They put the hurt. They put it in there. They were like, I'm coming. I'm going for it. ! Marbles in the chat. To answer your question, no one... Well, so I've shown that you can win this. People have won it. There's people that have made it to the very end. 170 is the current jackpot. $170. Get your entries in. ! Marbles in the chat. Like the stream if you haven't already. Subscribe if you have not already. We're going to be running these forever at this point. I don't see myself stopping. This is way too much fun. It's just a matter of finding a new death map when somebody finally wins. Let's go back to the charts. It's getting intense. Dude, I'm telling you, the more the money gets up there, the more intense it gets when somebody gets close. So once this all dies down, I'm going to type, well, I'll type it in now. And then I'll show you guys the video real quick. So here's a clip of somebody almost winning. Kevin Baker. So this is what you have to do. You have to fall down. You have to miss that bump that's there. You have to go through the lasers. You'll fall down into here. Once you fall into here, you go down. You got to get into one of these holes like so. It'll carry you around. Then you have to avoid all 4 of these lasers. As Kevin does. Very slowly, he finds his way through these lasers. And then all you have to do when you get here is fall into one of these 4. If you fall in there, you win. It's that simple. It's that simple. But unfortunately, Kevin missed. But I have shown where I can run 1,000 marbles at a time. I've shown that you can finish it. It was actually on like the stream from like Thursday or something like that. All you have to do, so simple. So simple. Never gonna happen. The pot was only like $12 that day. I know. Has anyone won the jackpot before? Well, this is the first time I started doing it this way. I used to just run regular marbles races for money and I would give away like 20, 25 bucks. But I thought that this would be a more cool way to spruce some energy into the marbles game. And see if we can't get somebody to win some big money instead of just the 20, 25 bucks over and over again. So no one's won the jackpot yet, but someone will. Someone's gonna win. I promise you, someone will win. It's not impossible. You can't post these maps on marbles unless they can win. They won't let you. When you're building a map, you can't publish it until it wins with 1,000 marbles. It'll run 1,000 marbles, but it has to win. If it doesn't win, you can't post it. It's part of their rules. Did you see the parlay I hit on X yesterday? I did not. I'm gonna go check it right now though. I gotta sign back in because I'm an idiot and got rid of all my cookies. Oh, this isn't even gonna be the right profile. Profile. I'll just click. 72.50 to win 652.50. 3 picks. What were they? Justice Hill plus 25 yards. Lamar Jackson 1 passing touchdown. What was the third one? Oh, Baltimore Ravens -1. Hell yeah. Good shit. Amal Dua subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your subscription. Welcome to the volatility team. May the ticks be with you. 1 out of 1,000 equals 0.1% chance of winning, but that's not even considering the map itself. That's just you versus the other marbles. The chances of winning the map itself are very low. Congrats, GDT, by the way. That's nice. I like that. I am logged into the wrong. Can't you add more profiles to switch through? I thought you could. Or do I have to log out? Oh, here it is down here, I think. Yeah, here we go. Add an existing account. There we go. Yeah, this is a chop fest for sure. It sucks. It sucks. It actually popped up in my notifications that it said, check it out, close it out, boys. That's when it was 28-6 too. How did you feel when Dallas came back the way that they did? I bet you were shitting your pants. You had to be shitting your pants. Roughing the passer call? Dude, I'm telling you, man. These refs need to start getting fined. They need to start being held accountable for some of these calls. Yeah, dude, it's so bad. All right, 11 o'clock, closing it up. Exclamation point marbles, if you haven't already. I'll give you until I get to where I need to be. Closing it up. Hope you're in. $87. Oh, wait, did it? Oh, this still has the old one in there. I was like, there's no way that's right. I must not have cleared it. 50. Still good. No death balls in this one. Just me. 51. I think you're already in there. It would have popped up. 51. Here we go. Plus, tell your friends. We can get 1,000 marbles in here. Yeah, just because there's 1,000 marbles doesn't mean it's going to win. 1 month or so? I mean, hey, if it's like $500 or something like that, I'm not going to see their winner complaining. 3, 2, 1, go. Rapsu, first one up. Let's get it.
This is the future. Human error. Evolution. This is the future. Evolution.
Anna, HLH, through. Barack, through. Saber, through. Bishop Len, through. Laura B, through. Moneymaker, 911. Moneymaker, do you know who Chris Moneymaker is? Imagine you doubled after every loss? No. No. Not gonna happen. Tony through the lasers. Gets through. Mom got eaten up. Rawr. Like I said, there might be a cap at some point, but we'll see. Sorry, I'm talking to TraderSync in the background. Of course, a poker what? Ace? Oh, ace. I thought I was reading poker. What just happened to Bishop Len? Oh, that's right, you can get knocked that way. Javon, trading funds, no. Wait, what? Oh, that's Mike Pike. Mike Pike, first one down. Got rid of all the top spin. In. Oh, he just sneaks in. No bump. Go away, lasers. No lasers. Let's go, Mike Pike. Mike Pike's won, I think he won an account before. Oh, he's got a shot. No, that was so close. That was Shaba. You went on the wrong side. Trader JMD, no. Pure clean skin, no. Visible ID, no. Another loss. Who's gonna be the last one alive? Pure clean skin, doesn't really matter. Boom, they went out together. Let's go out together. Exclamation point marbles in the chat. $171. Let's get it. Playing in the river. There's Kevin Baker, the sleeper. I'm telling you, Kevin's going to be the one that wins. Exclamation point marbles in the chat. We'll run it at 11:15. 11:15. What is going on with my YouTube? Is it because of the cookies? Is it because of the cookies? My whole left side of my screen, like where the subscriptions and stuff like that usually pop up, they're just gone. It's just gone. Oh, you gotta give them that Quantower and spat on that thing. Click the hamburger? Hamburger. Top left, 3 lines. Yeah, I did. Why do you think it was like that? Look. It's the cookies. It's the cookies. It's the cookies. I'm gonna try to log out and log back in, I guess. Let's see if that works. It's the cookies. When in reality, the whole time, it was the ad blocker. It's the internet. That could actually be Chris Moneymaker. I mean, it very well could be. Two-step verification. Open the Gmail app. Oh, that works now. Sweet, because I got rid of... Yes. Okay, I was trying to do that earlier. Okay, I'm glad to know that that works. Okay, well then don't tell me to register. Just log in. All right, I'm all set. It says I'm signed in. Not now. I don't want to do that. Not now. Okay, YouTube. Okay. Volatility trading. Okay. And nothing. Guys, I broke YouTube. I broke it. YouTube is broke. I broke the YouTube. The YouTube is broke. Is it happening for anyone else, or is it just me? I guess after the stream I'll restart my computer, see if that fixes it. I don't know why it would, but 11:15 exclamation points. Exclamation points. Exclamation points. Marbles. Exclamation point marbles. Hey, you guys want to see how much I get paid from YouTube? Check this out. Make sure there's no look at how much of a killin' I'm making from YouTube. Guys, I'm officially a YouTuber. I can retire off my YouTube monies. Can retire off my YouTube monies. 10x. 11:10. All right, why not? 11:10. Exclamation point marbles. You got 45 seconds. Let's see how my options and stuff are doing today. I didn't even check. Oxy's up. JD is, holy crap. JD's like way up. Check out JD making a little run. Okay, JD, I see you. I see you. I was gonna say it must mean I'm probably up today. That's not as much as I would have thought, but with JD and Oxy kind of killing it, I thought I'd be up. Oh, wait, what's going on? Okay, so we are up a decent amount. Oxy also trying to bounce back. I thought we were toast. I thought this was going all the way back down. It's trying to bounce. It's Warren Buffett at work right there. Charge point, not doing good. Save, not doing good. Carnival, I kind of want this to chill. If this can chill under 19, like right at 19 until October 18th, that would be nice because my covered call is sitting there and I can't roll it into December like I would like to. Hood. Also, man, Hood was way up there. Never expect green. Up days are always surprising. Especially with Oxy and JD, man. Those things fluctuate so hard. All right, closing up marbles. Let's get it. Let's get it. Bow, 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 chicka, bow, bow. 50 again. Look at that. Exactly the same amount of people. Code VOLA. Code VOLA makes it 51. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Looks like Hannah HLH first one up. TCG Andy is here, everyone. TCG Andy is here. Don't you forget it. Got a feeling TCG Andy will say I am dead at some point during this race. Market Frog out to an early lead. Looks like the shaft is not going to get him. He's going to time this pretty perfectly. Market Frogo through the shaft. Mary, no! No, Mary and Marco Polo, no! They're getting shafted. Saber shafted. Code VOLA shafted. Rapsu shafted. Kusiji shafted. Chico Taco shafted. Tony Gold shafted. TCG Andy is still here. He's right there. I see him. I see TCG Andy. And Mom's been making it through a lot lately. She hasn't been getting shafted at all, GDT, you liar. No! Van Houter. Frogo got absolutely lasered. Lasered. Van Houter, first one. Agri Ace. Close behind. Also going to go left. We're going to follow Van Houter on her quest to miss the two little things that are sticking out, and I have no idea what to call them. They kind of look like eyes. They look like eyes you'd carve into a jack-o'-lantern. They're scary eyes. Van Houter going around the eyes. Van Houter about to get hammered. Looks like a good line. Van Houter hammered into the correct line. Ooh, might hit a little too far to the right with not enough speed. This is going to be close. Get rid of the top spin. No! A little too much top spin. Moneymaker. It's Chris himself. Chris, bad beat. No! Visible ID. No, that's way too much top spin. Trading funds with the right line. Trading funds showing them how it's done. But completely misses. GDT, that is not the way, my man. No! Wow, that was a quick one. He didn't have anything exciting. GDT last one alive, but he's gonna get lasered. Exclamation point marbles in the chat. 172 is the new current jackpot. Exclamation point marbles in the chat, get you entered. Hey, would you look at that? We came all the way back down and we are just chopping around in the middle. Again. Again. Just going to get rid of all these stupid lines. These lines don't matter. They don't mean nothing to me. We're just in this little zone. Oh! Oh! Guys, it's back. I didn't even do anything. I didn't even do anything. It's just back. They just appeared. Oh. There they are again. I thought I jinxed it. Woohoo! Woot woot. I was going to check on David, but I don't even think he's streaming. I don't see him. Let me ask him if he's trading today. Close marbles. He's got a few. Nice. He's just not streaming then. We'll do 11:20. 11:20. Bow, bow, bow. Somebody should go over to the live trading by Trader TV Live. You know, that show they run. They got 3,700 people watching them right now. You guys should go poach some more marbles players. I know Zishan would do it if he's here. I can't do it because it would be my own account, and they'd be like, "Stop trying to promote your own account." Yeah. Zishan, there you go. Yeah, I'll post the link to the stream. For anyone that doesn't, or anyone that interested in like stocks or just something like market related, it's a really good live stream. They run it really well. Isn't Nike a buy now? No way it falls below 80. Famous last words. Famous last words. I'm not saying you're wrong, but I would never say never. Be right back. Guys, guys and girls, what do you think about this? I found this at BJ's this morning, and I'm very up in the air with how I think it's gonna be. Happy birthday? I was like, how'd you know it was almost my birthday? Yeah, my birthday's Friday. Check this out. Oh no, it's a black bag. I was like, it looks funny. It's an everything chopped kit with everything seasoned ranch dressing. I don't know how to feel about it. It says green leaf lettuce, broccoli stalk, red and Savoy cabbage, mini bagel toast, carrot, green onion, everything bagel seasoning with everything seasoned ranch dressing. I don't know how to feel about this. It's a salad, but you're telling me it's going to taste like an everything bagel? It's not processed. It's like all vegetables. I mean, some of the other, like the dressing and stuff probably is processed. It's just I'm very confused on how to feel about it. Feel everything. I'm gonna eat it today for lunch, so we'll see what it turns out to be. I thought we might actually get a move down. What's going on with stonks? I think they stopped doing it. Oh yeah, I meant to check that, see if they had any more so I could use my tickets, but I don't think they're going to give away any more money. But yeah, they're changing to mobile, I think, for now. If you like the taste of the bagel, I would think you'd like that. Yeah, we'll find out. Oh man, it logged me out of my GU chat too. Crypto Panda, what's up? Good morning. Apex not selling more evals to some users? Yeah, I heard about that. Like literally just this morning. I was gonna look into it later. Something about they're trying to get you to go to a live account, I think. They took away your employee discounts. You got your paid out $25. Yeah, I was like 6 cents away from getting the payout. I forget how much it was. Oh, I gotta log back in. That's gonna be annoying for a little while. Oh, they don't even have it on there anymore. I can't even hit the cash out. I was like 4 cents away from being able to cash out. I think it was like $4.96 or something, and you needed at least $5. It's kind of funny. Oh crap, I completely missed the marbles. All right, sorry. Let's do it. Guys got 3 extra minutes out of me. $172. Make you holla. $58 total. Let's get it. Three, two, one. Let's get it. Laura B. Mama. First one up. Yeet. Can somebody explain to me what MagSafe is? What is MagSafe? MagSafe is a magnetic charging system from Apple that uses magnets to wirelessly charge Apple devices. So that's why they all have that weird stuff on the back of the phone. It still charges on my old wireless chargers. I am dead. It's so if you want to yank a cord, it doesn't pull everything down. I need a MagSafe case because I do wirelessly charge, but I need it to be magnetic. Is it a magnet? I mean, it has to be, right? But is it a strong enough magnet? GDT, I don't think you're gonna make it. Oh yeah, you got it. You got the right angle. Oh wow, right line. GDT, first one. This looks good. Looks promising. Oh, we might not have enough. Top spin, top spin. Get rid of it, get rid of it. He's down. Let's go. In? No! Fucking bounce, man. Saberfly. No! Whiskey tears. Shaba, a little too far left. F1 Racing, going too fast per usual. Wow, you almost made it over those bumps. I don't think I've seen that. Trader JMB. Top spin, gone. Ooh, almost rimmed out. No! Mary? On the wrong side. Cornelius? Nope. Moneymaker? Nope. Satish? Nope. Jocko, last hope? Nope. 173. I'm just changing it now. Exclamation point marbles in the chat. Get it in! Exclamation point marbles in the chat! $173 is the new jackpot. Yeah, I'll have to look into the whole Apex situation. I don't know exactly what's going on with that. What I do know is that this market sucks. No new eval situation? Yeah. Do you know anything about it, Muffy? David's telling me that it's stream. Oh, there it is. I saw Brett lost on his accounts this morning. That was the first time I've seen him lose, actually. They're real short on money to buy a new yacht. Wouldn't that be the opposite? I've heard they're moving some people to live accounts and no more evals during that period. I mean, that makes sense. And to me, that sounds like they're trying to do things the right way. Right? Question mark?
at people and I wonder all day, who are you when you are not the one in your way? And then I think about myself and I stayed. I'm a pretty boss, look on my shit bright waist. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you fast.
We'll do marbles at 11:35. Get your entries in.
I'm the girl that they don't talk about, quiet with a big mouth. Listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single date. If you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal. Eggs you can unseal, key in ignition. Just keep me full like I had a meal once in a while. Feel all that I
Nope, 11:35.
can't fight it. I'ma let you ride the wave. I'm New York and you're LA. Come together, feel the shock waves.
For all my NFL or just football fans, I just posted a link. It's pretty funny. For later. Those people have more than 2,000 evals. That's nuts. Seven, second, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No more evals for Alpine. Oh wait, is he one of them that they're saying no more? They're not going to give him a live account though. Have they been watching him trade lately? The Glazers could buy an NFL team, aren't they loaded? Oh, I don't know. He doesn't have that many. I know he doesn't have that many, but I know he's. Let's go find out. Oh well, he probably isn't showing the evals. He only shows the PA accounts now. And you want to know why? Because he blows through those things, fucking candy. They're like little Tic Tacs or M&Ms. That's how he goes through evals now. Yeah, we're talking about Apex is apparently denying people the ability to get more evals. Sorry. But they're trying to send them the live accounts. It's not like they're just saying you can't trade with us anymore. And that's what I was saying. Like, isn't that a good thing? $58. They offer to reset old evals. I mean, does that really matter? Well, I guess it is a little more expensive that way. Here we go. $173. Just, it's getting up there. $173. Let's get it. 3, 2, 1, go. Trading for Science Zishan. First one up. Resets are cheaper. Well, it depends on the sale. The bubble is literally in HFT and prop trading, so no eval straight to funded is pretty much topping action. I mean, I do think that straight to funded is like the new hot commodity, but I wouldn't say that takes away from people that want to trade evals. Like, I am one that likes trading the evals. I think once I have a system that I know works, I don't see the need for an eval anymore. But until then, I don't see why I wouldn't want an eval. Oh, Zishan. I think you're good. Unless somebody knocks you out. They actually knocked you the right way. Code VOLA. Let's go. If you have over 2,000 evals and still don't get your shit together, get a darn job and move on. I mean, the thing is, a lot of those people that have 2,000 accounts, it's because they're just reloading the PA accounts for the big payouts. I would say most people with 2,000 payouts are people that are ahead in the game because they figured out a way to beat the system. That would be my guess. If you have, like, if you're someone like Nutty who had like 500 evals at one point before ever getting a payout, that's a little troubling. Yeah, I agree. Apex is no longer number one. They know they have catching up to do. And now you have Fast Track Trading and Tradeify that bring in the straight to funded ordeal. So it's like they know that they have some catching up to do. So not only might they be fixing things on the back end, but they might also be trying to figure out a way to do straight to funded, etc. themselves. Like, who knows? Nobody really. Oh, nope, too far left. Marco Polo is up there though. See if we get a good bounce. Nah, it's not. Marco Polo in. Let's go. Yes, go. No bump. Get out of there, lasers. Urgh. Urgh. It's not looking good. Too strong. Buzz. Lightyear. Get rid of the top spin. That's not gonna. Oh, maybe. Nope. GDT. GDT's got the right idea. Come on, do it, Justin. Do it. Do it. No. Damn lasers. Trading funds. Okay, we still got a shot. It's gonna take a second. Oh, maybe not. I talked that one right out of existence. Exclamation point Marvel's in the chat. $174. Which means we got 2 more races. One more race. What if Code VOLA wins? You add 40% to the pot. Use Code VOLA for everything, even your marbles. I mean, yeah, sure. Some allow copy trades, so theoretically you could run as many accounts as you wish if your system simultaneously worked on all platforms. 1,000%. And I'm sure there's people doing it. Tradeify is slowly taking over. I'm a big fan of that 150k instant account. Code VOLA, Italia. I'm not going to lie. Tradeify is probably going to end up winning because FTT is going to go broke at some point. There's no way that they can sustain the current model. It's just not possible. And now he's telling people they can't trade on Tradeivate. He's still who he is. I mean, I just don't see how it works out. I mean, there's stories of a guy who has 3 million in payouts waiting to get paid out on Fast Track. Like, he's waiting for the uncapped payouts. And if that's the case, he's always bragging about when he does these live payouts, he's got like 750K or whatever to give out. What are you going to do when you have to pay out the 3 million? Are you just going to stall for a month like you have been on? Like right now, I have reports that I'm not going to give names or anything like that, but people come to me almost daily with problems with fast track trading. And a lot of it is, hey, I've been waiting over a month now for my payout. Hey, I've been waiting 3 weeks for my payout. Hey, I've been waiting 2 weeks. Hey, I've been waiting a month. Like they're backed up, and there's usually a reason they're backed up. If they could pay out the money, they would pay out the money. He's waiting for more money to come in to make the payouts. He's literally partaking in what appears to be the legal Ponzi scam that all prop firms are partaking in. But with the structure that he has, where there's like no rules, a lot of people are going to get to payouts that much easier. And if you can get the payout that easy, it's not sustainable. It's not. That's why these prop firms have rules, because if they don't, then they would just get ran over. And that's what's happening with Fast Track. So, and now that he can't get all the money from people buying accounts because they have Tradeify, I mean, I don't know. I personally think it's just a matter of time. Tesla's breaking out. Keep an eye. Yeah, Tesla's another one I'm really sad about, because I had a cash secured put at $150 on Tesla. It expired worthless, and then that's when it dropped all the way down to, what was it, 138, and I never put it back in, and now it's up at 250 again. That's crazy. It's sad is what it is. It's sad, because that's what, $10,000 just for 100 shares. That's a oof. I agree. I think them shutting down the Discord, we're talking about Apex. I think them shutting down the Discord and taking care of things on the back end, no more public, statements and crap like that. The one thing I think they could do better to eliminate the conspiracy theories is when someone gets denied, tell them why they got denied. And that's the other thing that he didn't show in that video. I forget his name already. Joey Morgan. He didn't show that why they got denied, because in the email it gives you like a general statement of why you got denied, but he didn't show that. All he did was show the payout sheet where it says they got denied, like in the accounts section. Show me the email where it tells me why you got denied, or at least the general idea of why you got denied. It doesn't tell you specifically, which I think Apex could do a better job of. Like, if they know why you're getting denied, they should say it specifically in the email. It shouldn't be like, it could be A, B, or C. Like, it is A. Like, it is B. Like, they should do a better job with that. And then don't even get me started with all the issues that they're having with Rhythmic over at Fast Track Trading. So the one platform they do offer has been having so many issues. It's just crazy. Like, how much pain do you have to endure to finally realize like what's going on? Exclamation point marbles to get in. We'll do it at 11:50. It's the last race. I'm gonna go eat lunch after this. That's what, hey, I've been saying. I don't know if you got that from me, but I've been saying that. I was like, Rhythmic just straight up took Apex's Rhythmic servers and gave them to Fast Track. Yeah. It's kind of funny when you think about it, because it's probably the truth. Do we possibly get a move up? I got a feeling we ain't getting nothing. I'm too old, but been looking for that. Does anybody know where we can do a baby chart trading where you can set take profit and stop loss on the same chart? You can do that here on Quantower. It's literally, see these buttons right here where it says no stop loss, no take profit. So I can put a stop loss in of say 50 ticks, and I can put a take profit in of 50 ticks. And then you do mouse trading. So say where I want my entry to be is right here. It puts the entry out and it put the take profit out as well as the stop loss. Boom shakalaka. And you can drag it. Yeah, once they're in, you can drag them wherever you want. So like I can drag the stop loss, I can drag the take profit. You can even drag the entire thing. You can do all of it. It's just called Quantower. It's free. Everything I just showed you is free. I'm pretty sure it's just quantower.com. Yep, quantower.com. 2.5 minutes. Quantower. Here, I'll put it in. Like a tower, like the leaning tower of Pisa. It's funny. I got my son with the best pizza joke. We were at Pizza Friday. We were getting our pizza like we always do, and he was like holding his pizza, and it started the end was flopping, and I was like, "Oh look, it's the leaning tower of pizza," and he just like looks at me like, "Huh?" But my wife started laughing like, "Are you serious?" And then I Googled and showed him the Leaning Tower of Pisa. And he didn't think it was funny, like at all. I thought it was funny. Come on. Trying to think of a dad joke that I remember hearing recently. Wait, is the paper trades free, or I can actually link my bank account to this and trade real time? No, yeah, you can link real brokers to it. So let's see if I can show you this way. So once you're in, you'll get a pop-up for your connections. It'll look like this, and here's all the brokers that you can connect to. "30 seconds, exclamation point marbles in the chat. If you haven't already, like the stream. If you haven't already, subscribe. If you haven't already, $174 jackpot waiting for you. Use code VOLA and you won't get denied. This is true. Schwab's is one. I'm set. I honestly don't know. That's something you could check into that. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2. You have until I bring it up because I think I'm still on the wrong screen. I am. All right, you have until I get to the right screen, which should be about 10 seconds. I have come for all the jackpot. Oh, it's the death marble. The death marble is here. We cannot let the death marble win. All right, closing it up. For it is me, Sir, the Death Marble. Code VOLA makes 63. Let's get it. And today's been kind of crappy, huh? Like overall, didn't really have a lot of people playing marbles. Market sucked. Here we go. 3, 2, 1 for 174 possible dollars. Let's get it. Mandelbrot set. I still have no idea what that is. First one up. Kusiji. Kusiji out to a big lead now. TCG Andy is here. Sorry, I'm new. What prop are you currently using? I am currently using My Funded Futures and Tradeify. I am waiting for Apex to run a 90% off sale and also have the $85 lifetime at the same time. When they do that, I will probably stock up on Apex accounts, like 20 of them. Because why not? If I can blow through some evals at 90% off and get 20 accounts, I see no reason not to. They're lifetime accounts. That's my goal. Also have Bulenox codes. Some people like using Bulenox because they're a little bit more lax on some of the rules. They're just a little bit more expensive, but they run the 90% off as well all the time. Actually, they're currently running it. Let's see. I'm pretty sure they extended it to today, which would mean they will have to do something tomorrow. Let's see. Yeah, today's the last day for Bulenox 90% off. Code VOLA / code VOLA 90. Just in case. So Methodica was telling me that when they link it to your account, like they said they did, that code VOLA should work for the best discount available at all times. So I might have to ask them that actually. Agri Ace, not bad. Let's do it. Nope. Guys, you like are hurting each other. You can only go one at a time. Wait, Warrior's in. Oh, but he got lasered. That was my fault. I missed it. Trading funds. Down we go. Oh, but the bounce. Jeffrey's in. No bump. No lasers. Get out of there. No, the last laser. Oh, made it through, but I don't think that's going to be good. You're too far left. Muffy, our last hope. Muffy, the last hope. Come on, Muffy. Come on, Muffy. There it is. Muffy got pushed the right way. Come on, Muffy. You're online. Hopefully it's not too strong. Not too strong. Hit it. Get rid of the top spin. Get rid of the top spin. Yes. Down. Make the hole. No. Yes. No bump. Come on, lasers. No. God, the last laser again. Ah. So frustrating. So frustrating. All right. 175 for tomorrow. 175 for tomorrow. We'll start up again tomorrow. I'm gonna sit here and see if we can't push through to the highs. I doubt we will, but I'm gonna see. But yeah, Bulenox 90% off. It's supposed to end today, it says. I'm assuming they'll extend it again to match Apex. It's kind of what they do. Apex still the 80% off. Apex has the 150K, the 250K, and the 300K accounts. They're currently $50, which is a pretty big discount. And if you pass any of the evals, all accounts right now with Apex are $85 lifetime to activate. So if you pass any eval with Apex right now, it's $85 to activate a lifetime subscription with them, which is crazy when you think about it, right? Because with My Funded Futures, even at their full price with code VOLA, it's $76 for a lifetime account. You get the eval, you pass the eval, it activates the lifetime account. That's it. It's all in. But with these other props, man, you still got to pay for the eval, pass it, and then activate the lifetime. It's pretty crazy. The Spigen Mag Armor Mag Fit. So is that one where you can stick it to like the fridge or anything that a magnet can stick to? Because that's what I want. And I'm assuming it also still wirelessly charges. We won't break highs. It's going to be range bound. Yeah, it's what I fear. It is what I fear. It's what I fear to be the case. Simple and it works. You didn't answer me. Answer me. Spigen Mag Armor. Mag Armor 15 Pro. Compatible with MagSafe, so that works. What's the answer? It looks like it has a magnet thing on it. Like, I'm assuming, is this a magnet? Or is that just showing you how it's built? Like, I don't see them, they don't like hook it onto anything. Let me watch one of the videos. Oh, God. I love the speaking cases. That's what I've always used. Oh. Oh, but see, that was a magnet. See, okay. So they did this. What is this thing? You have to add this yourself? That thing. Like, what is that? Is that a magnet that makes it a magnet? What? Look at his stuff. Look, he's holding it in place. You see that? He's trying to show you that it won't like fall off, but he puts his thumb on it while he's shaking it. Like, what is that? Oh, that's a battery. Interesting. I just want to see a picture of one where they hold it, like they stick it to a fridge or something. I thought it was the Apple battery. No, it has Spigen's logo on it. Oh, they have like a wallet thing that can attach to the back. Is it a magnet too? All right, hold on. Now I gotta do some research. They make they make a camera lens screen protector? What? Look at this. It's a screen protector for the cameras. Interesting. 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 Spigen case wallet thing? I don't know what I don't even know how to search for it. Ooh, it's like stuff you can put it inside. Interesting. Ultra hybrid MagFit magnetic wallet card holder. I think this is the one I'm looking for. Yeah, some of these cases just have the wallet like built into the case. That's not what I want. Oh, it's got the MagSafe built in. It only carries 3 cards. I guess in most cases that's really all I need, but I have one of those little ones that pops up and I have like all the cards and stuff that I need in it. So I'll probably just stick with that. I don't need this. No, you will not find those. Those are the most stupid case. A magnet on your case will collect so much crap. But I want one where you can stick it to stuff. I always just thought that's a really good idea. So one like this then, oops. It's just the receiving end of the magnet, right? Because it's supposed to stick like on those things. I don't even know how to explain it. Yeah, see, this is what I was talking about. This little rugged armor magfit wallet. No. Yeah, see, it's 3 cards. It's not worth it. I would need more than that. I'm looking, let me see if there's a picture. That's kind of a thick case. I don't know if I want one that's that thick. Yeah, these are all the same pictures. I don't know. We're done marbles until tomorrow. Marbles will resume tomorrow. Actually, I'm gonna get out of here because I'm gonna do some research on these cases and I'm gonna finish transferring everything over on my phone as well. Appreciate y'all being here. I'm also hungry, so I'm gonna go do that. I will be here same time, same place tomorrow. Marbles will start bright and early. First race will be at 9:45. Make sure you're here. Until then, everybody have a good rest of your day. We got no trades. Until tomorrow. Peace.